Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Autumn, like the season, except that the fact I'm a weird fennec fox. Yeah. Anyway, welcome to my channel. I do videos about my random opinions of things and maybe even some random interesting story times. I don't know. But I still hope you enjoy my channel. Please ignore the fact that I sometimes, I mess up a lot. Anyway, I hope you will enjoy my upcoming videos and yeah, I hope you subscribe to my channel. And I hope you will click on the notification bell for, to know when I post video. So yeah, I hope this is the end of my channel trailer. Bye.